Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, open Settings, scroll down and enter Backup and Reset section, and then select option Backup Account. Next you will have to add your Google account. You will need the internet connection for this, of course. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap on Next. Next you have to enter a password. And then tap on Next. Next you have to agree with the Google Terms of Services and privacy policy. And for the last thing, tap on Accept here, and your device will be ready to be backupped. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.